Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant, addressing the common misconception about playing it on Google Chrome. Valorant is a high-performance tactical shooter developed by Riot Games, designed exclusively for Windows PCs. It requires a dedicated game client and cannot be run directly within a web browser like Google Chrome. While some cloud gaming platforms might stream the game to your browser, this isn't playing Valorant * on * Chrome, but rather * through * a service. Understanding this distinction is key to enjoying the game. The only official and intended way to play Valorant is by downloading and installing the dedicated Riot Games client onto a compatible Windows PC. You'll need to visit the official Valorant website to begin this process. Before downloading, make sure your computer meets the game's minimum system specifications, which include a Windows 10 or 11 operating system, at least 4 GB of RAM, and a graphics card like an Intel HD 4000. Once installed, you can create a free Riot Games account and jump into the action. To ensure a smooth gaming experience, your PC should meet Valorant system requirements. You'll need a Windows 10 or 11 operating system, along with at least 4 GB of RAM. For the processor, an Intel Core 2 Duo E8400 or equivalent is the minimum. A graphics card, such as an Intel HD 4000, is also necessary. These specifications allow the game to run at 30 frames per second, providing a stable foundation for competitive play. Valorant's design as a competitive tactical shooter necessitates direct hardware access and extremely low latency, which web browsers cannot provide. Browsers operate within a sandbox environment, limiting their ability to interact directly with your computer's components. Furthermore, Valorant's robust Vanguard anti-cheat system requires deep integration with the operating system, something impossible within a browser. A dedicated client ensures optimal performance, security, and a fair playing field for all players, which is crucial for a game of this caliber.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.